Hi loves, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Claudia. Welcome to Nusha Styles. Today I'm decorating my space because my space has to represent me, represent who I am. Guys, I need to put some curtains in my kitchen, and I bought this fabric for my local fabric store here in Birmingham in the UK. It was very cheap. All of these, we have got 3 meters length material. Altogether was £8, so that's not too bad. I'm gonna start with the introducing you guys of the store here in Birmingham. Yeah, so I kind of like this metallic fabric. I think it's very pretty. It adds some pizzazz to what I wanted to achieve anyways. I mean, I could definitely use these in my lounge. It's very dressy, I was a bit skeptical about putting these in the kitchen, but actually it looks quite nice. Actually, I'll let you guys be the judge of that. But yeah, let's start. The sewing machine that you guys see here, I purchased from eBay. It was in the region of 20 or 99. And yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna have some links. Hope I'll be able to do that for you guys. But I be making lovely items from this little machine. I do have a professional one, which I'm gonna be making more substantial stuff for me to sort of open a business. But this serves the purpose right now. So I hope you follow and watch this video until the end to see the results. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers, as well as the ones that have been rocking with me for a very long time. Thank you guys so much. I know I had some interruptions and I don't upload the way I always plan, and life is always getting in the way, but we are still here, we're still pushing, and that's what it matters. Okay guys, like I said, smash the like button, press the notification button and subscribe to this channel. So loves, I am trying to just pin it, so when I start sewing it doesn't sort of have all the lines not being straight. I have got here some of the pins, and I'm just going down the whole length of the fabric, because I actually folded, kind of is like doubled. I folded in half, as you guys can see here, so it's folded, and then I will once I sew it, right, I will turn it inside out, if you like. And that's how I'm doing here. It's a very easy way to decorate your home. I'm sorry that I don't have the right terms to explain everything properly, but it's very self-explanatory as well. And you guys can just observe here. It's very simple. Anyone can make this curtain and beautify your place. I mean, you can actually make something like this also for the bathroom, like instead of using like a typical shower curtain. I mean, I suppose you can have that, but then you have that at the top to make it, to dress it up a little, better, the bathroom. And that's what I'm doing here. I actually was planning to make with something a bit more like waterproof, but I don't think I'll have that sort of fluidity, like the way everything will be flowing, and I'll be able to rouge it properly if I use a very like heavier material. But yeah, guys, I hope you're chilling and you're working with me. Thank you so much, guys. And yes, just watch and learn. I mean, there's not much to learn here, but I suppose it gives you an idea for you to, if you don't have a lot of money to dress your windows, this is definitely an affordable, very affordable way of doing so. Like I said, it cost me only £8. I wish I'd done this before. You can use different colors and this type of material as well is is like I said, it's quite cheap, but it doesn't look that cheap. You know what I mean? And you can make beautiful draperies and stuff like that, as you guys saw hanging on the door. I could imagine that in the windows as well, like the whole a full length to the floor, flowy, very sort of a American style curtains you can make with this fabric, which is very affordable, and you can find all sorts of color. It's not like satin, but I initially thought it was like for lining, but the lady said actually people make blouses, dresses with this. So I've got an idea now. I would like to make a dress. There'll be like a baby doll balloon, a sort of a hem type of a style, long sleeve, and it'll be like more for like party wear. But yeah, guys, I just hope you watch the video and comment as well. Guys, something about me, I love the sound of sewing machine. I mean, especially the industrial one that I've got. It feels so like professional, very official, And even though this one is like a toy, but it's doing the job, guys, and it was very affordable. You definitely can do your arts and craft or whatever. I'll be making so many beautiful little things. Initially, I had also created. What do you call it, a hair accessory business, but I'm the type of person that I start a lot of stuff and I don't sort of keep up with it, because guys, unfortunately, when you pull wrong people in your life, I mean, they can ruin years and years and years of your blessings. They you can have all these brilliant ideas, but if you got yourself involved, you have got any soul ties with people that they've got ways of destroying you guys. Just watch out for with whom you guys mix, and who guys are having making families from these people, or building a family. But yeah, let's just have a lovely chilled night, sewing, making curtains. But slowly but surely, I'll get there, guys. I'll get there. Right, I did sew all the way down, so it's quite long, it's 3 meters, and now I need to make a pocket for this pole. This is a bathroom pole, shower curtain, so shower curtain is one of those ones that you kind of adjust against the wall like tension rod, yeah. So I'm gonna use this one because I'm making something for my kitchen window. So now I need to make a pocket so this can sit there nicely and gives a rouge effect here at the top when I hang the curtain. I'll do that and I'll show you guys when it's done. It's very straightforward, easy to make. So yeah, let's get on with this because it's getting late here.
Wow. Gorgeous.
So my loves, you guys can see how beautiful this turned out to be. Guys, I'm not exaggerating. It looks fantastic. I mean, comment below. I can see this in any type of windows. Imagine you've got like a bare windows and you have got all of that rouginess, going around like that in your landing, in your lounge, in your bedroom. Guys, this is gorgeous. Come on, guys. Don't let me just say it's gorgeous and you guys not know. Like, are you guys tripping? Like, come on, guys. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Let's try out in the kitchen. Oh my God, don't pay attention. I swear now. Ah, guys, I had to climb it, right? I had to climb it. But, guys, I am in love. I'm static. I'm thinking to myself, I should have done this years and years ago. Can you imagine this, like, maybe like in sort of a green, if you have got like accents of green in your, anywhere in your home, you know? This is just too gorgeous and it's so affordable. It just requires imagination. I have to give props to the guy that I watched. He's a guy from, I think he's from Honduras or Mexico. He speaks Spanish and he makes all these curtains and stuff. And I picked this idea from him, in fact. I forgot his name. It was just one of those random videos I was watching online. And I've been thinking about, obviously, dressing my kitchen and update it because I've got like old cabinets and I wish I could, knock everything out and put a brand new kitchen. But I'm rocking with what I've got at the moment and I need to make it pretty. I need to wake up in the morning or before I go to bed and feel like, oh, this looks pretty. It suits me, okay? So, yeah, I am satisfied, but let's have a look together and comment below. Comment below, guys. I am in love. I have to say this, I'm in love.